I love the time period. I think there's like a certain funk element that is ingrained inside of Midcentury. My name is Sean Famoso. I'm the co-founder of LVRN Records, as well as a filmmaker. When I first started coming to Los Angeles, driving through the hills, you just realize every home has such a unique design. Mid-century modern homes always had a special appeal to me simply because they've always felt lived in. The small, awkward nooks, or even the things that don't necessarily make sense, is what makes it that much more special. One day, this popped on the market and I instantly fell in love. Through a friend, I came upon the Curator LA, Taran and Ty, and we just became this super team of my crazy ideas and them finding a way to make it make sense and not blow the budget. My entire goal for redesigning this home was to keep the time period intact, but add creature comforts that make a life feel real and feel frictionless. Then just having different pieces that felt like art inside the home, that are already a part of the home. I was really inspired by the Moroccan tile and finding opportunities to incorporate it in different places without departing too much from the mid-century style. I was born into a household that music constantly just rang throughout the walls. I have like 20 speakers planted all over the house. I like to score my day. And my office, I can go from like sending mass amounts of emails and turning my chair a little bit to be able to just DJ for a half an hour for a break. One of the most important pieces to me is my Keep Off rug designed by Virgil Abloh, who was a dear friend of mine. Growing up in a Black household where you better not have your shoes on the rug, I think the only proper thing to do was frame that rug and treat it as an art piece. I have two pieces called The Ballerinas by Jupiter, who's super, super talented. It matched the mood of how I like to feel in the morning when I wake up, and it also gives me the same serene feel of how I like to wind down in the evening. I want the house to feel like it's a speakeasy. I think the house is supposed to have conversation. That's why the sunken living room was an element of just making sure that everybody feels included. Even the color, the green that we use makes it feel very warm, very, again, inclusive, very moody. I don't have a favorite room. I have favorite times of the day. I enjoy being up here during the day, during lunchtime, spending it outside, and then in the evenings, migrating to the pit. This home is my own cocoon. The ability to create something for yourself that feels safe, that feels welcoming, that feels inspiring, that feels like an escape at the same time is such a blessing to be able to have.